we say A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That constitutes an octave. Why we hear octave? Why does the A note repeat itself after the 440 hertz becomes when it doubles? Communication.
Perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you're looking at,
there's greens in there.
Technically apply to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities, sort of a lot.
There's green.
Because an A chord